Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about part 4 and how to get started with the Power Lead system. Part 4. Now, we're going to talk about deep down of another level that you can sign up to make money online, to grow your online business in this series of part 4. So you definitely want to pay close attention. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. You know who this is. This is Adam Shelton, and we're going to talk about part 4 in the Power Lead system. When you get started in the Power Lead system, this is part 4 of things you definitely need to know. And I'm going to talk about additional level of how you can make even more money online. Now, the Power Lead system's been around a long time, and let's go back and recap what we did in part 1. Now, part 1, we talked about getting started. So you'll get started right there by clicking on the Get Started button and go right to the Easy button here. And you'll go ahead and follow these 3 simple steps. And as well, you'll watch this video. That's what we talked about in part 1. And we also talked about being a gold member. So right here, when you go a gold member, I want you to go here and watch this video, the short video, and it talks about the compensation plan of how you can make money through the Power Lead system each and every single week. So they pay on a weekly basis. They pay on every Wednesday of the Power Lead system. So being a gold member, yes, you can make money online. Now in part 2, we talked about some of the training you get as a gold member. Now, gold member, you pay a membership of $53.97 per month, but that really pays for your membership and utilizing the system in terms of all the training it has. Now, we talked about the training right here. We went to Endless Free Leads, and it basically has scripts and information of how you can communicate with prospects, and it also helps you build your Facebook profile, your business page. It helps you set up the ripple effect, which is my favorite in the entire program. The ripple effect, which basically means when you change small little pieces of your profile, like your picture or your cover photo, it basically offers a ripple effect and people will be engaged on what that is. Now in part 3, we talked about the diamond package, which is right here, the free ad secrets diamond package level. Now the diamond, I want to tell you, is $147, just a one-time payment of it, but you would get a chance to make even more money when you utilize the system. Now you want to watch this video right here, and it basically talks about being a diamond member. And we talked about, you can add 50, like check this out, 50 new members will pay you an incredible $5,000, $10,000 when you get into the program. So that's how powerful the diamond is. So the diamond is a bigger level than the gold package, mainly because in diamond you get more training and you make more money. You have the opportunity to make more money when you become a diamond level. And of course, you do get the free ad secrets, which is another training package that helps you grow your online business. Now, part 4, we're going to talk about the platinum level, which will be right here where it says Social Profit Academy. So just remember, when you're going ahead and being one of these members, you want to click here to go ahead and pay for your package. So you'll click right there, and let me check it. Let's check it out here. Yeah, the Social Profit Academy is another training opportunity to really grow your online business. And check out all the stuff that you get. So you'll click on here, and just like the other packages, you want to go ahead and register your name and log into the information. But the Social Profit Academy is one of those packages really to take what you learn from the diamond level to a whole new level, to the platinum level. So it's more training to grow your online business, help your mindset, help you communicate with your prospects, help you position your offers together. So it's really recommend you get this, because it's just more things to help you grow your business. Now I'm going to go back here. Let's see. I'm going to go back to get started. And also it has its own compensation package once again. And you want to click on the video right there that says in the blue. And right here, once again, the platinum membership talks about the Facebook doing marketing. So it's more advanced Facebook marketing when you become a platinum member. And remember, it is $497 one-time fee of that. But then again, you make even more money based on the override and the opportunity it does have. So let me go ahead and fast forward a little bit of the information of what you can do. So let's say, I'm gonna go ahead here. It's a little play here. So it's kind of stuck right now. But basically what the platinum level membership does, it does pay you upwards of more money based on the people you utilize through the system. So I love the training packages it does have. It really deeps into the Facebook marketing, really gets inside in terms of certain tools that I didn't even know. I didn't even know about a lot of these Facebook tools before I even got into the platinum membership. And so I'm going to go close this, and I'm going to go back in here, check it out, and see if it works this time, because sometimes it kind of stops up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just check it. Okay, so it's kind of a little stuck here. So basically, in many profitable ways doing Facebook marketing. So it really breaks that down, and also breaks down the compensation plan of how you can make money online, even more money. So I really want to go ahead and go over that as well. So the platinum level, also you get the gold, you get everything through the gold member. So when you platinum, you want to be gold, and you want to be diamond, and you want to be platinum. So you want to have all these areas green, because when you first log into the system, all this is red. So you definitely want to get your domain name, which is about $17, $18 a month. Actually a year, $17 and $18 a year. Then of course you want to become a gold member, which is your basic membership, and you want to add your picture here, which is free to do. You want to be smiling in the picture, and you want to go ahead and purchase the diamond purchase level, the free ad certificate to help you become profitable online, and then the social profit academy. That is the platinum purchase that helps you with the Facebook marketing, helps you communicate with prospects, and of course it comes with all the things that the other packages come with. So that's what I wanted to talk about. And one more last thing I wanted to talk about that I didn't in the last video is that right here where it says websites. Now if you're into real estate, into insurance and different things like that, you actually can use the capture pages to go ahead and position your own offer. So I wanted to do this because I'm not sure if you have another opportunity. If you do have another opportunity, you can go right to websites right here. And I just want to show you a couple of the websites, some of the capture pages that you can technically use. So you technically can take one of these capture pages. Let's say we take this one right here. You actually can take that capture page, and let me go here. So it says you actually can take this capture page and you can actually edit this capture page to fit your own business. So all we're trying to do is capture the email address. But all this is text that you definitely can edit. So I just want to quickly show you the fact that you can take all these capture pages or build your own capture pages just to collect basic information. So if you're in insurance, in real estate, and you just want to collect information like their website or even their phone number, you can set up a page just like this and just collect their information, the email address. I just want to quickly show that. I'll dive deep down into the capture pages and creating in later videos, but I just want to quickly show you that the fact that this system can utilize other things as well. So that's all in page 4, chapter 4, video 4 in the how to get started in the Power Lead system, part 4. And right below this video, I have a link that says my recommendation of making money online. You want to click on that link for you to get started with this Power Lead system. You'll go ahead and get a 7-day free trial. You'll become a gold member. So you become a gold member right here. But I want you to think about the levels now. If you want to utilize yourself in terms of making more money, I suggest you guys to go all in terms of all this information. Now, the next video, I'm going to talk about the Master Traffic Institute in part 5. But I would suggest you look at all these very closely and level up, because this is the year to make money, to go ahead and fire the boss or make even more money online by utilizing the Power Lead system. So right below this video, click on a link and right below this video, and it says how to make money online. My #1 recommendation. You want to click on that link to get started, and then once you go ahead and sign up, I will go ahead and send you a text message, and we'll go ahead and get things started. I want to walk you through it, a free trial, and I'll give you a free 15-minute consultation. That way we can go over everything that we just want when you sign up, and we can go over all the information and can help you out. So click on the link below, and I can't wait to get started with you, starting your own business, growing a legacy and a foundation for yourself. I'll see you in part 5 in the next video tomorrow. I can't wait to see you. Have a good night.